You know what I mean? We become ignorant of the fact that we are in direct competition with these Africans. Because now Afrobeat has become so popular, being a plagiarism of dancehall, and is now in direct competition with dancehall. And these Africans have a generic market over there in Africa of nearly 1 billion people. So of course Afrobeat artists will become big, like Nuta Baruka said, in no time. Meanwhile, we are taught that we are Africans, and these Africans steal our idea and become rich. It is no different from the Chinese coming over here in Jamaica, you know what I mean, set up shop, become rich, you know what I mean, and send their children to college. Meanwhile, your children remain in the garrison, you know what I mean, have to turn to a life of crime because there is nothing to inherit. It is because of our religious leaders and our political leaders who, you know what I mean, gladly